Today is a very exciting day. I'm gonna be building my first PC. Well, not my first PC, but I've kind of built a PC, but my dad kind of helped me. But I'm gonna try to do most of this on my own. But I don't know if that will happen. I might have to call him. I'm mainly worried about the power supply because I'm not so good with like electrical stuff. So I might call him in for that. But this PC is gonna be sick. I am very excited. We got the Geforce RTX 4080. We got the i9 12900K. I'm very excited for that. We got a 2 terabyte NVMe. And we got 32 gigs of RAM. We got our motherboard, our case. I love NZXT cases. The H7 is just beautiful. This case, I was previously using the H5. This thing is beautiful. I am gonna miss that computer, but this one's definitely gonna be a lot better. But it's kind of me building my first one, at least kind of alone. So we're gonna see how it goes. I might have to call him in here at some points. So I guess we'll see though. But we gotta start the motherboard. So I bought most of this PC myself, but for Christmas I did get the i9 and the motherboard from my parents. So thank you to them. Cut a lot of price off this PC, although still expensive. But I am very excited to start building this thing, but you gotta start somewhere. So let me try to set the camera up. Actually, we're not gonna start the motherboard quite yet. We're gonna unbox the case first. So let's see if I could film this properly. Let's set all of these aside. The crown jewel right here. This unboxing is so sick. I opened it a little while ago and oh, this thing is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this in the computer. All right, let's try to one-hand unbox it. No, that's not even gonna be possible. I should probably just set it up. Set up the camera, set it up. There we go. Okay, looks pretty good. So I didn't get the H5 again, although I like the H5 Elite from NZXT. I like it, but my graphics card does not fit in it. So I had to go with the H7 Elite, which this thing is a lot bigger. All right, what's the best way to do this? I think I was supposed to open it from the bottom and then like kind of slide it down, but I definitely did not do that. So we're just gonna have to try to kind of lift it up or rip the box. You just gotta believe sometimes. Yes! Okay, I am gonna drop this. Good grip. Okay, we got it. Whoa, that scared me. Okay. Oh, I opened it sideways. We got the case unboxed. We're gonna build it on my desk, not on the carpet, don't worry. That sounds like a bad idea for an electrical shock. Okay, the case looks pretty good. No scratches, nothing too bad. Does this just come out? How do you open this case? Wait, hold up, I need both hands. Okay. I just like pry? No, that seems incorrect. I actually don't know how to get this off. I'm not built to build this thing. I don't even know how to get the front panel off. Is it like a slide? Like slide it? It comes out a little bit when you use that. smells like new PC and I love it. I don't know how to get this off though. I think we're gonna call in YouTube on this one because I might have to like look up a YouTube video on how to open this case. I could probably open the back fairly easily. Maybe the back will show us how. It does feel like you just pry it, although I feel like I'm gonna break it. I don't know if I like that. Don't fall, camera, don't fall. Jeez. I don't know how to open this, yo. Let's sit down. The camera is gonna fall. Do you just pry it open? You serious? Okay, I'm gonna look at a video and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, after watching a video, you do just... That was easy. That was way easier than I thought it would be. Alright. Alright, first impressions. This case is nice. It looks nice, it looks simple. What more do you need? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Lots of room. We'll probably take off the back panel also. I shouldn't be messing with the case first. I should be messing with the power supply, but I was excited for this case. Please don't. Okay. Okay. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not a big fan that you just have to tear it off. My old one was like a screw, and then you like screw it off, but this one is quite the piece of machinery. I also have to take one of my old SSDs out of my old computer because I want to put that one in here. But I did get a 2 terabyte NVMe, so that's going to be very nice. All right, we got our first few things we're going to be installing into the motherboard that we got to open. I think we're going to start off with this because this is the easiest. This one's also pretty easy. This one's all right. Just gotta use that. All right, let's get to opening. When it's open, turn back on the camera, and we'll install the first few parts. All right, so this is the trick I've seen, is to put it back in the box once you take out all this stuff. So yeah, I put it back in the box, and we're gonna start putting stuff in. I guess let's start with the RAM. RAM's always the easiest. I've installed RAM in a computer before. Not too difficult. Open that, open that. You know, in the last like month or so, I've been watching a lot of PC building videos, so almost open that backwards. How do you open it? Why am I struggling with opening everything? I guess I just don't want to break anything. There we go. Okay. We got it open. That's pretty beautiful RAM. I like it. I just gotta hope we're not installing it the wrong way. Can I do this one-handed? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I don't like this at all. So I believe it's installed like that. I don't want to do the firm press. I don't like it. No, something feels wrong. Did I put it in the wrong way? Oh, that's in the wrong way. Okay, we had it the right way the first time. We are gonna break something. Huh? Huh? Was that the right way? Okay, that is. I don't like pushing down on that. If something feels wrong, bro. This is all too stressful. Why is it not going in easily? I don't like this. Do I just like... That's open. That doesn't have to be open, does it? No, that's solid. Alright, I don't get it. We're doing something wrong here. So it goes in like this. Should be able to just slide it on. Firm press. But it doesn't go in. I don't get it. I'm doing something wrong. Is that in all the way? No, that's not. There's no way. Okay, I think it's in. That clicked in. Dude, that is stressful. I do not like that at all. You have to like press on it. Oh, we're gonna break something. Hey, no, they're not supposed to be installed next to each other, are they? Oh, shoot. I think it's supposed to be installed 2 over, like that. Alright, it never hurts. I'll ask my dad when he gets in here. Just to check on everything, make sure I did everything correctly. Make it in the socket, please. Stop shaking so much. We have it the right way. Just got to give it a little bit of love. Love and consideration. There we go. Okay, I think that is stressful. That is extremely stressful. I think it's all installed though correctly. We got the pin to go in. Everything seems solid. I hope that's correct. I'll ask my dad because I'm not 100%, but I think it's supposed to go 1 over. Very stressful. I did not like that at all. That took 6 minutes, by the way. 6 minutes to put in. Oh, we are screwed. Okay, so I think the next one is going to be the easiest one. So I do have this tool set that I use to. It's just a tool set. It's pretty nice. Got a lot of tools here. But I think this should work for getting the screw off of the NVMe slot. Should work just fine. Alright, NVMe. This should be on the easier side of ones. Let's get this open somehow. Oops. Guess we're just ripping it open at this point. Probably not the most responsible thing if I need to return it. Okay. Look at that beauty. Let's pop the cover first. Oh yeah, okay, I found it. We're good. Okay, I think we gotta get the other one off first. Okay, I did open the right slot. Okay, that took another 5 minutes. I might get my dad in here for the CPU. I don't know how much I trust myself with doing the CPU. Okay, I'll be back. I did the RAM correctly, right? It's supposed to go one slot over, like that?
It depends on the motherboard, actually.
Oh, it does?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You have to look at the instructions. Or any other one?
I was. They did let me. And then I did the M.2. That one's pretty easy. Pretty simple.
Excuse me.
Do I push down or do I just push out?
So,
that you put the CPU in and then that comes off, right? Yeah.
ooh, the door lifts up the other way. Interesting. Normally this plastic cover pops off when you try to close it with the CPU. Come on.
Did it not pop?
Oh, no, it didn't. Apparently I don't have the magic touch.
Okay, we got it all into the case. It wasn't too hard. That's all done. Now we got this big mess of screws. So screws didn't come with this motherboard, so we had to take some loaner screws out of some old motherboards. But we got it to work, and wait, a light. There we go. And we got it to work. Next, I'm probably gonna go put this baby in. Go away. Go away. Go away. Okay, yeah, this is next. Okay, so we got it here. I'm gonna mount them up here and run them down because they last longer when gravity helps them. And so I got it here. Not 100% sure on how to mount this though. It might be some trial and error, but yeah, somehow. I just don't like see any screws or any screw holes or anything. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. Getting there. Alright, so we finished the AIO. We got the power supply in and now we're just trying to run cables. This is usually what takes the longest, and
Max is really wanting to have good cable management so there's plenty of airflow, and in order to do that you have to take your time and make sure you run things in a economical way.
yeah, because look at my old computer. My old computer, I had a hard time getting the back on because the cables are everywhere. Look at this. It's crazy. So I just want to run it better in this computer.
And I'm eating Oreos.
That's not
Okay, it is time for the graphics card. This thing is massive. This is a big graphics card, but we're just going to check if it posts in it. We're just going to finish the cable stuff, and then, yeah, we're going to try to post it.
If you've gotten this far and you're not into computers, you may not understand what POST is. So real quick, POST stands for Power On Self Test. Every time you turn a computer on, it runs a little diagnostic test at the very beginning before everything else happens. What you'll notice is sometimes when you power it on, if you get a bunch of beeps, beep, 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 those beeps are an indicator of something that may be wrong. We want to make sure that this computer posts so that we can start it up and we don't get any of those beeps, meaning nothing's wrong.
Okay, we got everything plugged in. Now we just need to test if it works.
hurts the back sometimes. But building your own computer is, in my opinion, the best way to go, because you can make sure that every part is to the standard that you want. When you buy a prefabricated computer, those companies can put a little bit lesser part in to other spots. So you can get a better system for similar, if not less money, if you build it yourself. But, all right, Max, you ready?
Do it.
Hold on.
You want me to? Ready? We got fans. Oh. CPU or memory change. Please enter.
Okay.
Need a keyboard?
Need a keyboard. Okay, memory modules are found on non-optimized memory slot. Please follow the instructions and move the yellow marked.
Here we go.
Okay. There's a lot of air kicking around in there.
Oh, dang. You make sure, go down to storage. Just make sure I got the SSD in.
Do you have Windows 11?
Not on a memory stick. Didn't you download it the other day?
I had it somewhere.
Alright, it did post. Now we just gotta do some, make sure everything's here, download Windows, and it's a beautiful computer. It's looking good. Alright, it is finally built. I cable managed as much as I could. Let's just get one last turn on. Absolutely beautiful in there. Absolutely beautiful. I appreciate you guys watching this video. One of these days I'm going to have to do a setup. I have a lot of stuff I got to set up here, and I got a lot of stuff I still got to install on the computer. But I think the last thing we got to do absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Okay, this is Editing Max. I realized I had plastic on the inside, so you couldn't really see the PC. It was just kind of like a weird plastic blur, but let's try that again. Well, and if you wanted to know the full PC list, I will have it down in the description, so if you want to go check it out, you can. Thank you all for watching today's video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.